I'm aware of the LSAT and the GPA, but I just want to make sure if you have any tips about how I can differentiate myself through writing supplements. Is it telling an anecdote? Is it my writing style? If you have any tips about that, I would love to know.
Yeah, it's all of the above. So you do want it to be memorable. You do want it to be colorful. You do want to use anecdotes if possible. You do want to have a hook if possible. All of that is worthwhile. I think you've got the right idea. It's all based on the execution. And until you've written something, we're not going to know. So I would suggest write some drafts. You suggested 3 potential topics. Write a rough draft of each one, and then see which one clicks the most and share it with other people to get their feedback too. You might be able to cover more than one topic in your application because you've got the potential to write not only a main personal statement, but there are also potential optional essays. So you could write an essay on, you could cover a separate topic in one of those essays too.
Okay. So it is good to write more than less. If I can write about something, I should write about something. It's not like a thing where they want to spend as least amount of time as possible on applications, because that's the biggest thing that I guess I'm worried about with submitting multiple things is, are they going to want to read 3 essays from someone like me, or are they going to want to just read 1 essay and not have, like, I don't want to call it a waste of time. But if I can write something, should I write something?
If you feel that it adds something new and they would be glad to have that information. So don't add an essay that isn't going to include much or isn't going to give you much more just for the sake of doing so. But if you can write a quality essay and add a new side to yourself and show that through this essay, then it's worth including. And maybe you suggested 3 topics to me. Maybe you would include the best 2 out of the 3 and leave out the 3rd one. That's one route you could take depending on what you end up writing. Make the essays good enough that they're worth including. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.